It's a new 2018 Kia Optima. Open the door and climb into the extraordinarily comfortable cabin. With the right balance of bold design and soft touches, a warm welcome awaits. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, hands-free liftgate, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Cars.com finds with its creased sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, commanding attention. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Lee Kia of Greenville, a part of the Lee Motor Group Company, doing business the right way since 1953. We're located near the corner of Greenville Boulevard and Memorial Drive.